Medical cannabis is gaining attention worldwide, but did you know it's also legal under specific conditions in India? If you've ever wondered who can legally prescribe cannabis in India and how the process works, this video breaks down everything you need to know. In India, prescribing cannabis is regulated by two main laws: the Drugs and Cosmetics Act, 1940, and the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act, 1985. Together, these laws create a strict framework to ensure only qualified and licensed professionals can prescribe medical cannabis. Under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act, medical practitioners must be registered under the Medical Council Act, 1956. They also need a special license from the state drug controller to prescribe controlled substances like cannabis, and they're required to maintain detailed records of every prescription in a specific format known as Form 3. The NDPS Act provides additional safeguards. It empowers the central government to regulate the medical use of cannabis, states to appoint licensing authorities to oversee prescriptions. Rule 52 of the NDPS rules lays out strict qualifications and documentation requirements for prescribers. Every prescription must follow a precise format including the doctor's registration number and special license number, patient details, dosage, and treatment duration, the doctor's signature and official stamp. Beyond national laws, states have their own regulations. For example, Maharashtra requires doctors to register with the FDA. Delhi mandates a special permit from the state drug controller. In Kerala, practitioners need a separate license specifically for controlled substances. Always check your state's requirements for the latest regulations. Licensed practitioners must also maintain detailed records, including patient histories for at least 2 years, copies of every prescription in the approved format, stock registers of all received and dispensed cannabis-based medicines. For hospitals and clinics, there are additional institutional requirements like dedicated storage facilities for controlled substances, regular audits and compliance checks, enhanced security measures to prevent misuse. Despite these robust legal frameworks, the actual implementation of medical cannabis prescriptions in India is still limited. Most cannabis-based products available are Ayurvedic preparations that use specific parts of the plant, regulated differently from allopathic cannabis prescriptions. Example: cannabis oil used in palliative care or pain management. So, who can legally prescribe cannabis in India? The answer is a licensed medical practitioner who has the proper state-issued permissions and adheres to the strict documentation and prescription rules outlined in Indian law. However, with limited awareness and access to licensed cannabis products, this field is still evolving. As regulations improve and awareness grows, medical cannabis could play a larger role in India's healthcare landscape. Thanks for watching.